Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers, home of the Colorado Off-Road Trailer and our Colorado Cargo Trailers. We specialize in multi-use units and off-road trailers to allow you guys to have a lot of use out of your trailers. Most of our units here are insulated with Windows AC power. We'll go through that in a second. This one is one of our 8.5 24 Colorado Cargo Trailers, set up ready to go, and in a black Blackout package. This is also our thicker aluminum skin. This is an 040 black, so it's not going to wrinkle as bad as what 030 does. It gives you guys a nice upgraded exterior on this unit. You can view all of our inventory anytime at getmytrailer.com, or always shoot us an email at sales@getmytrailer.com. We have a buy it now feature and no contact trailer shopping with our awesome COVID world that we live in, and we also ship. So if you guys give us a call, we can get you a shipping quote and get this trailer delivered right to your door. So again, this is an 8.5 by 24, set up for cars if needed, and you do have a lot of goodies with this unit. Extended triple tube tongue. It's on a heavy duty 6-inch frame. You guys can see this is a great unit because it gives you a better turning radius with this nice big extended tongue. That's why we run them. And you also have the diamond plate rock guard along the bottom. Nice big wrapped corners. This one's stock number 15640. Side door has an RV lock and cam bar in it. So you've got the double lock protection and you've got a slider window with a screen as well. So you've got that nice little bonus. Couple of party lights off the side with this unit. You also have an exterior GFI outlet, as this does have power in it. Two 6,000-pound torsion spread axles with brakes. It's a heavy duty 8-lug tire and wheel that you guys can see. And this torsion axle gives you an independent suspension under the trailer. So it's going to ride better and tow better with a torsion axle over a spring axle or a straight axle. And then when we spread it apart like this, it cuts down on wagging and swaying that can occur. So optimal setup right here with this unit. And then you guys can see you also have stabilizer jacks underneath the back, couple of load lights on the back as well, so you've got some good exterior light to see what you need to do at night. Rear ramp door, spring assist close. This does have the ramp extension on it, so you guys can see that. Plus you've got a dovetail in the rear, which just means the back 3 inches of the floor drops down. That's just to give you guys a nice easy angle when you need to pull cars in and out of here. It allows for that lower profile vehicle to come in and out without hitting the bottom of it. We also ran a nice big awning door off the side. So that folds up like an awning or an escape door, but I left it closed so you guys can see because it does have a window in it. 7-foot interior height, 6'9" at your rear ramp door. So that's going to be a great interior height for those taller UTVs and ATVs out there as well. And then you guys can see you do have those two 18 by 44 slider windows across from each other here for that extra ventilation. These are a tinted lockable window, so you've got a lot of use out of that. And then you do have two overhead Maxx Air roof vents as well for some more additional ventilation. You got a lot of ways to vent the heat out of this trailer. Insulated walls and ceiling, and then you've got a white aluminum wall and ceiling liner in here as well. 6 interior puck lights, so that's these little guys. And these puck lights, as well as your party lights and your load lights off the back, all run off of this battery with a battery box and a battery charger right here. So normally you'd have to be plugged into a car, have to be plugged into power to have light, and that eliminates that problem for you. So you can pull up to the campground and not have to fire up your generator at 12 o'clock at night and wake all your neighbors up to see what you're doing. Speaking from personal experience. Then we also have 30 amp service right here. You've got a nice big long cord. Pop it right there through that cord port, and you guys can plug into your extension cord or your generator, and that will bring 110 power in. It's going to power up your interior outlets. It's also going to run your 4-foot LED lights. So you guys have 4 of these guys nice and recessed up in the corners, which is great. You're going to have a ton of light in here if you guys need to pull a car in here or you're camping or whatever. You've got a lot of light to see what you're doing. And again, switches for all of that so you can control what you have on and off. And then that 110 power is also going to run your AC unit with a heat strip right here, so you guys have the ability to heat and cool this trailer, which is a great feature. Makes it a lot more enjoyable. Interior step coming in and out. And here it is. 3-year factory warranty with this trailer. I believe this unit weighs 5,000 pounds. It's going to give you about a 7,000 pound payload capacity. You guys can view all that information on our website. We've got more specs and pictures there at getmytrailer.com. Always send us an email with questions at sales@getmytrailer.com. And again, we ship. So if you guys aren't here, no worries. Give us a call. We can ship the trailer right to your door. We can get you a shipping quote. And again, we've got no contact trailer shopping. We can do everything electronic. And like I said, ship it right to you, or you can just come and quick pick it up. It's about as easy as it gets. So again, sales@getmytrailer.com, getmytrailer.com, or you can try and reach us 303-688-8485, and be sure to like and subscribe.